Hello everyone, my name is Umang and I'm here to take you to an amazing journey of learning and knowledge sharing. I'll bring to you very exciting and informative content all around the world of data. So without any further delay, let's begin today's session. In this video, we are going to discuss about dashboard, what exactly it is, what is its usage and how is it designed. Now, I would like to mention that explaining dashboard is much more complex than what it sounds because there are a lot of definitions and explanations that exist about dashboard, and ironically, all of them are true. Before talking any further on this topic, let me show you some images. Wait a minute, did we just saw a car's dashboard? Yes, that's right. So along with all the images that we just saw, even a car's dashboard is a very powerful visualization tool. It comprises of various components like a speedometer, a fuel gauge, a temperature gauge, an RPM meter, and many others. So it basically tells you all the details and information about your car. Now, let us try and put together some key attributes of the dashboard that'll give you even more clarity on its concept. It is definitely a very powerful visualization tool, a mechanism to picturize and display an entity's performance, KPIs, and metrics. Considering that it tells a story, especially about the performance of the entity, it definitely becomes an effective tool to take those tactical and strategic decisions. For most, it becomes a one-stop shop as it combines data from multiple sources to a centralized view. And trust me, in many cases, the experiments and innovations that we see are resultant of such dashboards. And last but not the least, no matter how you want to slice and dice your data, there's a view available for everyone. With so many dashboard design tools out there, it becomes highly customizable. So to summarize, can we say that it is a powerful visualization tool that tells a performance story and enables management to take those tactical and strategic decisions? So we've reached the end of this session. In the next session, we'll deep dive in technical aspects and best practices to create a perfect dashboard. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video. Thank you.